Okay guys, now the two front windows go up and down perfectly, and the guy says, oh, for some reason the switch doesn't operate the rear windows. Take out the door panel, half the crap's missing, propped up by a piece of wood, the window, this part where the motor, everything's all missing. So yeah, no wonder why it didn't work. So, and same on the other rear door. Okay, so just ordered and received new window regulators. Okay, here it is here. Got the regulator, got the motor, the whole shebang. $37.79 shipped with tax, and fixing to put it in. So these two here clamp onto the window, and then it's got a bolt there, a nut there, bolt there, a nut there, and then it looks like it's missing on here, but it looks like there and there where it bolts on. We'll have to figure that out. It's also missing the speaker, so we got these three here, might be for the speaker. That one looks like something, but this whole side of the regulator's missing. That there is for that, and this side's in, so there's the bottom nut, top bolt there, a little clamp for the window, and the other one probably goes right there, there, and there. So we get that on. Of course, the speaker's missing. These are two speaker wires. This is a power window motor. This is for the little door light. Okay, so we got a problem. Now this is off too. See, the second problem is the speakers are missing and they don't work anyway. You hook up a speaker to this and they don't work. It's got an aftermarket stereo in it, so somebody said the chime box is messed up, probably disconnected. It's the, you know, if you leave your key in the ignition or the door open, it ding 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 ding, and it drives most people friggin' nuts. So somebody probably disconnected that, and now the speakers don't work. Although I rigged up the passenger front did work, but the driver's one didn't. I had to rig up a separate speaker wire and run that in, so at least I got two speakers. Be nice to have all four working. I got extra speakers we can put in there. But anyway, let's get on with this. So let me take off these three, and then we'll just line that in there. It's actually a pretty simple job. You gotta just kind of finagle it in there. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay guys, there it is. This one didn't line up that good. I don't know why. You gotta put that one in first. Anyway, the other side lined up good there. Had to round up some bolts there. And then this one didn't line up very good, but I forced it in there. And now I don't know what that's for. Unless this is, see, the speakers, I think the speaker's supposed to be here. I'm assuming that this, and this is for a speaker box, which is missing. Unless the speaker box mounts onto there too. I don't know. It could be a little bit different. But anyway, that's where the window clamps bolt to, there and there. And push the button. And there it is. That's it. I don't know what I'll do about the speaker yet. But anyway, that's that done. And here's the one for the other side. And we'll get that one in next. So, I'll be back. Okay guys, I finished that door. I actually put a speaker in it. I'll have to show you on this side. So we're gonna, this is just one 7mm screw there, one there. Let it drop like that. Well, actually you lift it up, then off, disconnect here. These things here for the lights were never hooked up, and this was busted, a little deal there. But yeah, you can see these are in there like that, and you lift it up. Let me show you. It's like that, and you lift it up and then out. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I had this apart already. See, I got all this tying up this to hold the window up. You can take that bolt off. That one's connected there and there. This side's missing right there and there, just like the other side. 2 speaker wires here, power window motor. It should go as easy as the other side. Yeah. And what I done was I don't have this whole piece that goes in there that the speaker mounts to. So what I had done, which I'll show you, I had a speaker that mounted. Let me go grab it. I have a whole box of these speakers, and I used this one here. And it fits perfectly over top there, like that. And I just drilled some holes and put some self-tapping screws all the way around there, see? And then hooked up these 2 wires to those 2. So that's what we'll be doing. I'll show you when I'm done. But yeah, let me get all this plastic out of the way. Take this off. And there's a regulator motor there. I'll be back. Okay guys, I got it in. Bolt there. Tighten the window up there. On this side, there, and there. And plug this into here. Now, got a big problem. Pretty sure it's this switch. See how corroded and stuff that was? And here's the switch. I tried to clean it out with some spray stuff, and then I checked the power. What it's doing, it's like you're pushing it up, but you're leaving it on. This thing here is really hot. It did go up. It was down about that far to hook these up. It was down here. But then it wouldn't go down when you pushed it down. So when I just check it, when you push down, it'll light up, but you push up and it stays lit on up, and you push it up like that and it just stays there. So I need another switch, and I don't have one. I just took one off a 2000 S10 Blazer, and wasn't the same. So I don't know, unless I got something else GM around here with this switch. Got 8 little deals. But let me check on that. But I know it works, but I hope it didn't. It's still really hot. Let that cool down, see if I can find another switch, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I took this switch from the other rear door that works, that we know works. So there we go. So there it is. Okay, let me, we'll put this sticky stuff back on there. Dust shield, whatever you want to call it. And just like that. Okay, let me screw this speaker in the door panel and hook it up to these wires, and I'll show you that. And then we'll put this on there. I'll probably order one of these off eBay. I'm pretty sure that somebody will make them. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, let's put some screws around there, like I said, for the speaker. Goes right in here. And put some little solder connections on there, heated them up. Got them on there pretty good. So we'll put that on there. And like I said, just slides into these clips here like that, and slide her down, put the one screw in here and down at the bottom. Now I'll be back. Okay, I can always take these out. It's a lot easier putting them in, finding this rod there, and once you finding the hole for it. Okay, and then put this one in. Like that. I'm not sure if that goes, probably go that way. Like that. And then this little piece like this. You gotta take this out first before you take the door panel off. The other side's missing, I know. Get the back one in there. Like that. Okay, then one screw there and one screw right there, and that's it. Okay, I don't know, did I mention I was looking for the somebody told me you know, you can see the speaker in there. Somebody said, because these speakers are not working even though they're hooked up, and somebody said something about the chime box with the aftermarket stereo in it. So this stereo here, but you notice here's the key. See, with the key in there, it's supposed to be going ding, 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 and it's not. So somebody has it disconnected or something, and that actually operates all the speakers. Although when I got the truck, this speaker here was working, and then this one here, I just run a straight speaker wire. Now that's coming off. Just a straight speaker wire there into this one. And had to put a speaker in there. And the two rear ones, I don't know, somebody must have been trying to figure out why the speakers weren't working after they jacked around with the chime box. So now we got to figure if that's disconnected or a fuse taken out or something like that. But anyway, that'll be on another video of this, because I'm going to put this little video out of putting in them regulators separately. So if you want to follow along on the build of this 2002 Avalanche, getting ready to paint it, I'll probably mention what I found out about the chime box and see if the speakers work in the next video. I think there'll only be one more video on this. But anyway, I put the one video for the what I just did on there, and hope it helps somebody. Got a bunch of crap here to throw out, the 2 boxes. Okay, well, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll see y'all next video. Thanks everybody for watching.